Hello and welcome back to JunkFood Joyride, and today we're installing a fuel rail. And to go along with this beautiful fuel rail, we've got some Xspurt 640cc injectors. These things are sexy. This kit comes with adapters that are required so that we can use standard injectors instead of the factory side-feed ones. They use an O-ring to seal to the head and are very simple to install. They only require a touch of oil and then they just push into place. Next, we are attaching the bracket to the fuel rail, and this is held on to the fuel rail with 4 hex head bolts, 2 on each bracket. To install the injectors into the rail, the manual calls for a light coating of engine oil on the O-rings, and then they just slide into place. You can then take the assembly to the engine and it should all fit together with a nice positive engagement. Unfortunately, this did not happen for me. What I did not realize when I bought my injectors is that the Racer X kit is designed with full-length injectors in mind, and me, in a moment of genius, decided to try and save some room and bought 3/4 length injectors. Well, oh well. Well, after another shopping trip online and an overnight wait, I have the correct adapters. Now, these just slide over the top of the injector and are held in place by a small stainless clip. Once all these adapters are on the injectors, this time I decided to put the injectors in the head first and then the fuel rail last. The fuel rail just slides over the top of them and then they just push in with nice positive engagement. The fuel rail itself is held to the head using the brackets in the stock fuel rail mounting points. And once those are tightened down, I installed the AN line adapters into the ends of the rail and taped them off to stop dust and debris getting in while I wait to finish the rest of the fuel system. And that is how you install a Racer X fuel rail onto a Gen 2 3S GTE. Again, I'm extremely happy with the quality and fitment of the Racer X parts and wouldn't hesitate to buy them again. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and hopefully it's not going to be another 6 months till the next video, but no promises.